Good morning, children. Now the second bit of 8.5. Arrange the following in ascending order. Children, here three sums are given. In that we see two are unlike fractions and one is like fraction. So when it is like fraction, it is directly we can take the numerators and compare, because all the like fractions are there. So only the numerators, if we arrange, we will get the ascending order. Like 4 is smaller, then comes 9, then comes 10. So 4 by 11, 9 by 11 and 10 by 11. So this is our ascending order. Okay. Now when it is unlike fraction, we should make the fraction as like fraction as we have done for comparison. Okay children, we will see and find out the ascending order. So here, so first question is 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 6. First we will take all the denominators and find the LCM. 2, 5, 6, all the three numbers will not come in the same table. So at least we will check whether any two numbers comes in the same table or not. So 2 and 6 will come in two tables. So take two number and we will start dividing. 2 ones are 2. 5 will not come. So same 5 we will carry down. 2 3s is 6. Now these two numbers are left over, so take one of the number and 5 ones are 5. This is already 1 and 3 will not come, so as it is 3 should be written down. Now again take 3 out, so 3, it is 1 1, 3 ones are 3. Now all the three digits will be our LCM. 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Now children, we should make all the three denominators into 30. Okay, so the first one, 1 by 2 we will take. Now 2 into how much is 30? It is 2 15s are 30. Okay, now 3 by 5. 5 into how much is 30? 5 6 are 30. So both the numerator and denominator should be multiplied with 6. Here also with 15. Now 4 by 6 is the third fraction. So 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Both the numerator and denominator should be multiplied with 5. Now after multiplying, 1 15s are 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 3 6 are 18. 5 6 are 30. 4 5s are 20. 6 5s are 30. Now ascending order, which is the small 15, then 18, next is 20. So they are in the order we will write, and but these are not the original numbers which we got in the question. So first number is smaller, so 1 by 2 is the first one. Next one is 18 by 30 is nothing but 3 by 5 is the second number. Next one is 4 by 6. 4 by 6. So this is the final ascending order. Now we'll see the second one. B bit, 7 by 8, 2 by 4, 5 by 6. So take all the denominators. 8 4 6. So all the three numbers are divisible by 2. So take 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now again 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3 we will write as it is. Now 2 1s are, and this is already 1. 3 we will not disturb, we will write it as same. Now 3. 3 ones are 3. All are ones now. So this is our LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now we should make all the denominators 24. So first fraction is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 into 8 3s are 24. Next is 2 by 4. 4 into 6. And in the numerator also 6. 5 by 6. 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. So multiply and write. This is our answer. So the first fraction is 2 by 4 is the smallest. Then comes 5 by 6. Then comes 7 by 8. Third bit, children, arrange the following in descending order. Here also same like ascending order, but reverse we have to write. We will see the next exercise. Now children, brain booster 8.6. Add the following. So here we could able to see some fractions as like fractions and some are unlike fractions. These two are unlike fractions and this 4 sums are unlike fractions. These are like fractions. In the same way, children, when it is like fractions, we can directly do the addition or subtraction, ascending order, descending order, comparison. Okay, so here also all the fractions are like fractions, so we will take the denominator 31. We will not add denominators, we will add only the numerators. Now children, here the first step is 7 plus 3 plus 20. We need to write like this. Under one denominator we are taking all the numerators addition. So after we need to add 20 plus 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 31. Did you understand? When the same denominator is there, directly take all the numerators and add. When it is when the fractions are unlike fraction, we need to follow the same LCM method and make the denominators the same and add the numbers. We will see. See children, we have, when it is like fractions, directly we have done addition. Now if it is unlike fractions, take LCM. 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 2 final is 1 1 and 7 twos are 14 is our LCM. So we should make both the denominators 14. So first one is 4 by 7. 7 into 2 is 14. So 4 into 2. Now 14 is already 14. So we can simply leave this or multiply with 1. Okay. So 4 twos are 8 by 14 plus 5 ones are 5. 14 ones are 14. Now both are like fractions, so add the numerators and write the answer. Now the second one, G, 3 by 10, 1 by 2, 3 by 5. So all the denominators LCM. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 5 will not come in the 2 table, so write 5 as it is. Now both the 5s will come in 5 table, so we will take 5 and our LCM is 2 into 5 is 10. So we should make all the denominators the same and find the addition part. Now children, brain booster 8.7, add the following. Here we have mixed fractions, so we need to make the mixed fractions improper fraction, then add. Okay, now 4 1 by 7 plus 3 2 by 7. We have already learnt how to change to improper fraction. So what we have to do, 4 into 7 plus 1. 4 into 7 plus 1 plus 3 into 7 plus 2. Okay, now 4 7s is 28 plus 1 29 by 7. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23. Now both the fractions are like fractions, so we need to directly add both the numerators. Now after adding we'll get 52 by 7 we are getting. So again this need to be changed into mixed fraction. Like how to do mixed fraction? We need to divide numerator inside as dividend and 7. With 7 we are dividing. So 7 sevens are 49. After subtraction we will get 3. Okay, so final answer is 7. Remainder is 3. This divisor is 7. So our final answer is 7 3 by 7. 7 3 by 7. Okay, now children, this is in case when both the fractions are like fractions. Okay, just changing into improper fraction and then adding. And if it is these fractions are unlike fractions, first we will change it into improper fraction, then take LCM, then making the fractions unlike fractions into like fractions, then adding. After adding, number is improper fraction, again changing into mixed fraction. Okay children, thank you.